Good day students, this is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6, triangles. In today's video session, let us solve exercise 6.3 of page number 140 of your textbook, problem number 4. In the figure 6.36, QR by QS is equal to QT by PR, and angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So now, what is the given thing? Yes, given thing is QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So let us first write the given QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. And then angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. This is, we have to prove. That is, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Now, observe the figure here. Angle 1 and angle 2, both these angles come in triangle PQR, isn't it? Yes. So, prove in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So, this is from given. So, given we have angle 1 is equal to angle 2. And we know the definition of the isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle is a triangle whose two sides are equal. And what is one of the properties of the isosceles triangle? It says the angles opposite to the equal sides are equal in measure. Here we have two angles equal, isn't it students? Here two angles are equal. So if in a triangle two angles are equal, then the sides opposite to those angles are also equal. It is just the vice versa of the one of the properties which I told you earlier. Is this clear, students? Yes. So here two angles are equal. So which is the opposite side to this angle? This one, that is PR. And which is the opposite side of this angle to this one? So we have PQ is equal to PR. So PQ is equal to PR. Next, now see in triangle PQS, the small triangle, and the triangle TQR, the bigger triangle. Here we have QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. So here write in triangle PQS by QS is equal to QT by PR. This is what is given. So let us write in PQS and triangle PQR we have QR by QS. QR by QS is equal to QT by PR. QT by PR. So this is given. So these sides come in both these triangles, that is triangle PQS and triangle TQR. Now this is the given portion. And now this PR, as I told you, it is equal to PQ. PR is equal to PQ. So here QR by QS is equal to QT by, what is PR? Equals to PQ. So let me write here PQ. Now see, QR by QS. QR is the side of the bigger triangle, QS is the side of the smaller triangle, is equal to QT is the side of the bigger triangle and PQ is the side of the smaller triangle. So here the sides are proportional. What is this? The sides are proportional. And then we have angle 1 in triangle PQS is equal to angle 1 of triangle TQR. So for both these triangles, angle 1 is the common angle. So angle 1 is equal to angle 1. That is the common angle. Now by looking at this one and this one, that is the sides and the angle. So by which similarity criteria we can say that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Yes, the sides are proportional and then the one angle. So one angle and sides are proportional. So by side, angle, side, it is SAS, similarity criteria. Similarity criteria, triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. Hence proved. Thank you, students.